Blush Beauty. What's up? It's your girl Amber. I am really excited to come to you right now. I feel like I say that a lot, but I really am excited every time I like hang out with you. So we're gonna talk about perfecting brows without like having to stress out about should I get microblading. I love microblading, hands down. I think you should get it if you're questioning, because it's like this amazing process of having brows that you don't have to stress out about. But even for someone that has had microblading done, I still have to use brow products. Not I have to, I want to, because I want to perfect them even more. And my girl Rachel that does my brows, you know, she will also tell you the same thing. So we are gonna take these brows and we're gonna start over, and I'm gonna walk you through the 3 products that I use to perfect brows. And I can't wait for you to do it too.
Hey girl, it's Amber. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm the #1 beauty educator helping you level up your beauty game. Go ahead and get your makeup bag out and let's get ready together.
Pull the hair back, get ready. So these brows have nothing on them and they are so good. They are way better than my natural brow, but these are natural. They are microbladed and they are natural. Okay, so this is a brow liner. It is brunette. All right, this is Mary Kay. This is the awesome brow liner that they have. Okay, so this is brunette, love it. Then this one, I would have to say you probably could just get this one and be cool with it because it's a dual end, but this is the blade on one side, and then you have the liner on the other side. So like I said, you probably could get away with not doing this one because this one has both, but because of the color for me, this is dark drapes. Personally, I don't need the liner on that side. I prefer the brunette. It's a little bit lighter. And then the third product is the brow tint, and this is also in brunette. Now my hair is naturally brown with a little red undertone. And then I always kind of lighten it up a little bit just so it's not so harsh. But yeah, so anyways, I like brunette. It works great for me. And I have sometimes occasionally done dark blonde. All right, well, let's get into it. So you're gonna do this brow liner, and you're literally gonna just take it right around the root of your brow, and you're going to perfect the line. That's why it's called a perfecting liner. That's why you're gonna take this right around that brow, as you can see, and just perfect the line around the brow. And then you're gonna go on top of the brow and you're gonna give it a shape. All you are right now is shaping it just to make sure you have a good shape. Then you're gonna go down with the brow hair, fill it in. You can already see the difference there. And then you're gonna go up with the brow hair from the bottom and fill it in there. I'm gonna leave this kind of naked. That has been bladed, as you can see throughout. Okay, so now you can already see that's just more lined. Now we're gonna do the other side. Now I'm gonna go back in with the blade, and now we're going to actually take it and just comb up through just natural strokes. You can see that was one little stroke. I'm gonna do it kind of further away. You see those little strokes? And so this creates little tiny brow hairs. And it's okay if it kind of comes up a little bit above the natural part of the growth of your line area. You see how that just looks like a little bit of just natural hair follicles growing up through there. Do the same thing underneath. Do it on top. Can shake this up, get the product loose. And just take little natural strokes. You can already see that made a difference. You can see my natural hair too. I can even like move it around. So now we're gonna do this side. This one, for whatever reason, when I got my microblading done, sometimes it doesn't stick in some spots, and this front side didn't stick as well. So I love this blade. This is what I've been looking for forever. So I really recommend that you get it. I ordered mine off Amazon and it came in a few days, but you can get it at Ulta, I know for sure. But you see how that just looks like natural brow hairs right there? That just looks so much better. And there you go. All right, next, you're going to take the tint, and sometimes you can do a clear, but I prefer a tint of color because it just allows them to not look one solid shade. It kind of gives them almost a highlight look for mine. So I just kind of take it through. You can see it's just a light brown. And I just comb up almost and just get that natural look-see there. Now let it dry for a minute and then I comb back through it. Super cool. See how that just kind of, once it dries down too, I mean, these just look like natural brow hairs. Okay. So there are my brows. Isn't that 10 times better? So now look at them. Natural brows. I mean, it's just so good. I swear to you, my brow game has changed because of this Urban Decay brow blade. Highly recommend this by far. Definitely need to try this out. If you do have this or have tried this before or currently use it, I would love to know. Drop that in the comments. I love that you are here so much. I love giving you tips and advice and different techniques to use for beauty. We talk about everything from hair to skin to cosmetics and lots of makeup tutorials. I love doing lifestyle vlogs with you as well. It's so much fun. So I upload 3 days a week, Monday, Sunday, and Wednesday. I will see you on my next upload. If you're new here and you're into all things that I talk about beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to getting to know you more. All right, well, we'll see you next time. Drop a comment below, like this video if it was super helpful. All right, well, take care. See you, Blush Beauty. Thank you for being here in today's video. This was so much fun, and I love having you here on my channel. If you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do that before you leave. The next step for you is to head over to AmberLykins.com. I have on this really fun shirt, Blush Beauty Collective. We go even further than we do here on my YouTube channel. So we have Zoom calls, and we have amazing workshops. I have great downloads for you. I love giving you free gifts, and lots of other amazing VIP perks. So go ahead and get into the Blush Beauty Collective, and I cannot wait to see you there. It's a monthly membership, or you can go ahead and get in for the year. All right, well, don't wait any longer. Go ahead and check that out on AmberLykins.com. All right, well, I'll see you later, Blush Beauty. Have a great day.